When you are out of time and you need to meal prep really quickly, this meal prep overnight oats is a winner. Literally throwing everything into a bowl and chucking it in the fridge. You can't find anything easier than this. We're going to start by adding our oats to the bowl and then use a bowl that is big enough. Our yogurt, I've used low-fat Greek yogurt. If you are dairy-free, you can actually use coconut yogurt. If that's you, I would just add some extra protein powder to up the protein amount. Using my favorite fiber protein powder, this is the vanilla flavor. It is by far my favorite protein. Delish. Making sure you give that a good mix up. I've added coconut milk. That's the milk of my choice. So you're just going to mix that super easy. That is 4 serves ready to go. For our berry filling, you can use your choice of berries. I've actually got some mixed berries here. I actually do this part before I mix my oats, and that allows the berries to cool down. We're just going to add them to a medium to hot fry pan. I've used some sugar-free maple syrup. You're just going to cook them down until they're nice and juicy, and make sure they cool. Then when you've got your jars ready to go, you're going to add half a cup or so of your oat mixture to your jars. And obviously I've got 4 jars. I get my jars from Kmart actually, and then the couple at the back are actually just leftover ones that I've cleaned out. You can use any type of jars that you want or containers. Once you've got that in, you're going to add your berry mix. Just divide it between the 4 different jars, and this is our jam drop part of the oats. You can use blueberries, you can use raspberries. Of course, I've used mixed berries this time. So then once they're all done, you're going to top back with the remaining oat mixture on top of your jam drop. And repeat that until everything is used up, and then you're just going to pop lids on these and pop them in the fridge overnight until you are ready to eat them. They are delicious. Enjoy making them. Would love to hear if you make these and what your thoughts are. Hopefully you love them. Let me know.